Hi guys, it's a girl Cheche Stitches. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I made this beautiful smoky inspired dress by Nancy Simi. I'm making use of Ankara fabric. This is 3 yards of Ankara fabric. For the measurement, the biggest part of her body is her hip, which is 39 inches. I'm going to divide them 39 inches by 4, and it's going to give me 9 point something inches. But I'm going to approximate everything to 10 inches. Then that 10 inches, because we are working on a smoky dress, I'm going to add 4 extra inches. That is 14 inches. For the length of the dress, I'm going to take the length before adding the flip plus extra 5 inches. Remember, we are working on a smoky dress. After stitching it with my smoky thread, I'm going to retake the length of the dress, that is the accurate length of the dress, before adding the flare. Then I'm going to mark 1 inches for folding, and I'm going to come down by 4 inches, and I'm going to go in by 3 inches, and I'm going to slant it down. I have a tutorial where I made the same dress, but the difference is just the flare. I'll be leaving the link in the description box. Then I did the same thing to the back. So this is the front and the back. So after cutting for the both sleeve, this is how it's looking like. Then for your stitching of elastic, if you want it to be bold, you come down by 1 inches and stitch. You understand? But if you want yours to be tiny, I'm going to be making it of tiny in this tutorial. You come down by half inch and you stitch. So if you are confused, or if your hand is not straight, you can draw lines straight and follow the line. So right now, this is how I'm stitching it, and I'm making use of the half inches. You understand? Once I was done with everything, this is how the sleeve is looking like, and I'm going to now retake the measurement. As I told you guys previously, the length before adding the flare is 27 inches. So I'm going to take 27 inches now and then cut out the excess allowance. The reason why I added that extra 5 inches is to be at the safer side. You understand? It's better you cut than that is not rich. So I'm going to take 4 inches. You remember, for the 4 inches for adding our sleeve, then I'm going to stitch it down. After I was done stitching it down, this is how it's looking like. I'll be joining the sleeve to the body. From that 4 inches, I'm going to join it together and stitch it this way. After I was done, this is how it's looking like. And the next thing now is for us to add our flare. And I'm going to measure the length of this, and it gave me 12 inches. I'll be folding it this way. You understand how you do fold your 60-degree fillet. Then that 12 inches divided by 2 is going to give me 6. So I'm going to place my tape, this curvy part, and I'm going to measure it down, and it came out as 3 inches, and I'm going to take 3 inches round. because we are working on an elastic dress. For the flare, remember we took 3 inches for the wideness of the flare, but I'm going to be adding extra 1 inches so that it will be wide enough, because when we are going to be stitching it, we are going to be drawing it. Now I'm taking the length of the flare. I took 10 inches plus 1 inch for my stitching, and the other remaining inch I'm going to use it to weave the stuff down part. So if you want to stitch it, you'll be drawing it. So I'm going to place it like this, and if I'm stitching it, I'll be drawing it. This is the reason why we added 1 inches. After I was done stitching it, I also weaved it, and this is how it's looking like. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next tutorial.